Where's the lying news agency of Nigeria? Are they here? Those liars and deceivers, are they here? That distort the news. You don't know what law is. You don't know what justice is. Where's the news agency of Nigeria? What are they? You don't know that God is a God of justice. You don't know that? That God in heaven is a God of justice. You don't know that?
But that's what you wrote. You said here, my lord, that the defendant has now applied for bail. Now, as I've said earlier, bail is a discretion of the court, taking into consideration all the conditions laid down in Muhammad Abacha v. State. At this stage, I am of the opinion that to make or take a stand on the bail application without first hearing and determining the issue that is glaring in the face, which is the absence of the defendant from the court since 25th of April 2017 until he was produced on the 29th of June, my lord, which was exactly what the Supreme Court did. They said that he did not jump bail. These criminals came to my house to kill me. That's what the Supreme Court said. This is in your own ruling, in your own court, my lord. So I cannot understand, my lord, why my trial will be conducted contrary to the Constitution of Nigeria that said I must have free and unfettered access to my counsel. Is here. Okay, he did something in my case. I refused him. He was conscious of issue. I asked him to do himself. Why did the chief judge insist I must write? He left my case.
Okay, listen. If anybody is not happy with you, then you need to go and
no, I cannot. Because I have a court order. I have a court order. You have released yourself. I have a court order. Anybody who disagrees with this order of court, go to appeal court. That's what you tell me all the time. You are from this official. You cannot preside over this case number again. Not in this life. You cannot. Not now, not tomorrow, not ever. I want to here cannot force this court to preside on my case. You cannot. Not today, not till forever. You are recused and you stand recused. Tell the chief judge, Nnamdi said, go on appeal. I recused him from my case. The state recused Justice Adema from my case. I did not insist Adema must hear my case. I never insisted. So why must you insist to hear my case? I don't want you in my case. I don't need you in my case. You are biased. You are biased. You cannot be in my case. I don't know if you do the right thing. A chairman of the board of directors was to resume propriety. Nowhere in the world such nonsense done. You cannot be hobnobbing with lawyers, hobnobbing with justices, and you're proceeding a case. It's shameful. Absolutely shameful. Shameful. This is a court of law. This is a shrine to injustice. And I will not subject myself to it. You stand recused and you must take my case. You cannot try me.
I simply applied for a legal trial of the defendant.
This man is not paying attention. There is an order of recusal, and he's a senior advocate for goodness sake. There's an order of recusal. Is that not the rule of law? The law says if you disagree with this, you go and appeal. You are a grown-up man. Because of 300 million, you're behaving like a child. Go and appeal. Because of money. Because of money you're paying from ATM surface, you are here standing and smoking evil. Because of money. A grown-up man like you say you are going to behave like a man of honor. The rule of law says you go and appeal. His Lordship Peter, you will not try my case. Not on this planet Earth, I'm telling you that now. So stop wasting your time.
So that, I said, the view of the past that the defendant has indicated that he will not make a formal application. I apply that the Lordship was a 70 day for hearing.
You are not for this issue. They are not well. I'm telling you, this God Almighty not well. This is an order of God. An order of God says, Justice Binta Nyako is recused. An order of God. Order she made as an order. The same Chief Justice writing the stupid memo he's writing. I recused him. He was functus official. He sat on appeal. I took him to the NJC. I recused him. Why did he not say I must sit on your case? Why in the case of his lordship is he insisting? He wants to embarrass her. He wants to embarrass your lordship by asking her to come and sit on this case. Is that what you're saying? That's an order. Give it to him. He doesn't have it. Give him an order of God. It's an order of God. Give it to him. He doesn't have it. An order. Give it. He doesn't have it. It's an order of God.
I take your permission.
It's an order of God.
I take your permission to address you. But let me tell the defendants that in everything life, there's need for wisdom. And wisdom is very important in this matter.
And telling lies.
It is not right for you to be insulting the teacher and insulting.
If you insult yourself, I will insult you. If you have no respect for yourself, I will insult you. Because people are telling the law, when it comes to Nnamdi, you turn the law upside down. The law says one thing. If the law says this paper is white, when I go to court, they say it's black. When I say it's black, they say it's white. Is that law? I'm asking you, a senior advocate of Nigeria, that law. Is the memo from Chief Judge, is memo from Chief Judge sufficient to set aside and a court order? The answer is no. Why do you want to change the law in my own case? His Lordship, Justice Binta to stand recused in my case, cannot try me. Why don't you get it? Give me your definite get for trial so you can do your mathematics you always do without shame. I have here before me for the benefit of Chief Awomolo because it seems he doesn't know the law. So I will tell him, this is national judicial policy of this country. Please give them a copy each. National judicial policy of Nigeria, national judicial policy. I will tell you what it says. Because you don't know, I will tell you. Talking about memo from the Chief Judge of the High Court. Judicial policy of Nigeria, 1C. I'm reading. Robert. In the performance of judicial functions, the judge is subject only to the law and must only consider the law. The rule of law in every common law jurisdiction in the world is that once an order of court is entered, the only way to set aside it is by going on appeal. That's the rule of law. But the senior advocate, you don't know. I will go to see. A judge must not take or attempt to take orders or instructions of any kind from anyone, even the chief judge, from anybody that may influence his decisions in the performance of judicial function. It means that his lordship, having entered an order of court, a decision between myself and her.
Actually, we are seeing a supply development. Remember that Omoole Sowore led a protest hashtag free Nnamdi Kanu now, where he turned out Abuja for Nnamdi Kanu. But surprisingly, Sowore appeared in court today, and we have seen that he has been arrested. And free Nnamdi Kanu now, where he turned out Abuja for Nnamdi Kanu. But surprisingly, Sowore appeared in court today, and we have seen that he has been arrested. And Sowore is someone who have visited Aloji Meko the other day, and he submitted a bail application. What are we seeing? What is this new tweet?
I think a total clampdown on resistance voices and voice of freedom. Because Sowore becomes very relevant as a result of Nnamdi Kanu on this issue. And before now, I can tell you there was a court injunction stating that Sowore should not be allowed within the court premises, you know. And that statement was issued by the court, and Sowore, which for now does not hold any water. Sowore actually went to court because Nnamdi Kanu is appearing in the court today, We don't know whether actually it was based on that he was arrested, or based on the already the development that we are seeing at this moment, where Nnamdi Kanu has finally taken a decision to actually open defense. And but if you look at Omoloye Sowore's arrest, he sent another strong signal that Nigerian government has actually declared war on justice, has actually declared war on freedom. Sowore's arrest, as I report to you, right there in the court where Nnamdi Kanu was is seen, attending to his court
in the picture
appearance
on the
today.
screen, you can clearly see Sowore and of course Nnamdi Kanu while they were moving together, even right in the as viewers can see the picture on the screen.
Yes, they can watch the video of how Sowore was actually, arrested, and taken to unknown location. But let me tell you very clearly, that issue of Sowore's arrest is going to trigger another